Hello, hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Yes, welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
I can hear and I can see you clearly.
Oh, that's great. Is this Max?
Yes,
Yeah, nice to meet you today, Max. How are you?
I'm good.
Good to hear that. All right. I cannot see your selected lesson. Have you selected a lesson already?
Yes.
Oh,
I will select again. Like
okay,
I
sure.
select this lesson again.
Sure, thank you, thank you.
Wait a moment.
Okay, sure. Take your time.
Okay, can you see?
Is it the daily news? The daily news?
Yes.
Okay, so let me open that. All right. Okay, so we are going to study daily news in this lesson, and the title is Pandemic Turns People to Reading. This is nice. All right, so let's have words and phrases first, okay?
Okay.
All right, so let's learn some of the words that are used in the article. Would you like to listen to both US and UK pronunciation or just US?
Um, just US. Oh
Okay,
no 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 no.
uh,
I want both. I want both.
both. Okay, yeah, all right. So let's listen to both US and UK. Here we go. Let's start with the first one for US.
Advocate,
All right, so please repeat after the audio, okay?
Okay. Advocate.
Advocate. We have UK.
advocate,
Advocate.
Advocate. It means someone who publicly supports something. Would you please read the sample sentence?
Okay. Sure. So he was an advocate for small businesses around network.
Okay, next, please listen to US pronunciation.
escapism,
Escapism.
Okay, for UK.
escapism,
Escapism.
All right, so escapism is an activity or form of entertainment that allows people to forget about the real problems of life. Okay, please read again the sentence.
Okay, so reading romantic novels is her form of escapism.
Yes, okay, let's have the next. Hmm.
So,
awestruck,
There was a
Austria.
yeah, there was a delay. There was a delay of the audio. Okay, let's have the UK.
awestruck,
Did you hear that for the UK? Hello, Max. Hello. 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 Can you hear me?
Hi,
Oh, okay. I can hear you. Yeah, I can hear you now. All right, let's have awestruck
awestruck,
Austria.
for UK.
awestruck,
Austria.
All right, so it means filled with feelings of admiration or respect. Okay, would you please read the sample sentence?
I could tell she was impressed from the awestruck impression from on her face.
There is a delay. All right. Okay, so let's have the last word. Okay, let's have the last word.
fascinate,
Fascinate.
All right, for UK,
fascinate,
Fascinate.
fascinate. It means to cause someone to be very interested in something or someone. Okay, please read the last sentence.
Her painting fascinate me.
Yes, very good. Okay, so we're done with words and phrases. Do you have any questions so far?
No?
All right, so now let's proceed to the comprehension part. So we will listen to the article here, but before that, let's check the questions that you will have to answer later. Please look at the questions as I read them. Let's start with number one. So why didn't um, Mortimer read novels in school? That's the first question. Could you please read the second question?
Why did Mortimer tweet uh, demonstrate to people?
All right. The third one is what did Mortimer do after his daughter introduced him to the books app on his phone? All right. So these are the listening focus as we listen to the article. Okay. All right. So are you ready? Let's listen now to the audio. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Okay. So let's dive in. Here we go.
Pandemic turns people to reading. Singer-songwriter Tony Mortimer seems an unlikely advocate for the joys of reading. In fact, the ex-star of the popular 90s boy band East 17, now 50 years old, claims he'd never read a novel until COVID-19 lockdowns left him with time on his hands. At school, peer pressure discouraged reading, and later his music career left him too busy. Mortimer's newfound love of books reflects the reading boom that occurred in 2020. Since the pandemic began, Mortimer has raced through over 70 books and has no intention of stopping. Books are pure escapism, aren't they, Mortimer said. It engages your imagination like no other medium. Your worries disappear. Mortimer's enthusiasm is infectious. His social media posts about his new hobby have made national headlines with sweet, awestruck tweets that demonstrate to people that it's never too late to begin a new life-enriching project. After his daughter introduced him to the Books app on his phone, Mortimer downloaded hundreds of books. His favourites are fantasies and thrillers, and his reading list runs from Harry Potter and Tolkien to Agatha Christie, whose complex mysteries fascinate him. Mortimer has also started writing his own book, a young adult adventure that he hopes his 17-month-old grandson will read one day. He now has thousands of words written, but is finding the creation of the book's structure a challenge. He is thrilled, however, that in writing there are no limits on imagination. Don't be scared, he says. If you want a fire-breathing dragon coming out of your chimney, then do it. Music has taken a back seat in Mortimer's life for the time being. Reading and writing are his passions these days. The way Mortimer has made the most of the disaster of 2020 should inspire us all.
All right. Wow. Yeah, it was a great article. Okay. So this time, let's proceed to answer the questions. All right. Okay, so I'll read its question and please say your answers out loud. So let's start with question number one. Why didn't Tony Mortimer read novels in school?
Uh, um, because peer pressure discourage reading.
Yeah, that's right. Very true. Okay, very good. How about number two? What do Mortimer's tweets demonstrate to people? Hello, Max. Hello.